Is there a key for the front door?
No.
Do you know that guy?
Look, do it here. Is this guy? They did check it out. Look. Look.
Yasin. Yes. I'm just making a recording quickly. It's two guys. So the one passed away, think a street or two away. And the one guy got shot here in front of the garage. So I think it's 1, 2. No, hey. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 shooters, automatic rifles and handguns. And there's a, I think the other one is also gonna die because they still shot him here a few times here in front of the pumps. I'm gonna record that also now, so that you can see. I don't know if they know these guys. No, they don't know these guys.
Did you look?